Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. One cannot turn a blind eyes to what is going on between two same cause, same purpose, but different dimension, different structural belief, different structural belief system. One is a case of Simeon Ekpa, who, from all indication, believes in autopiloting, believes that sit at home is the only structural system that can bring out Nnamdi Kanu, the indigenous people of Biafra, who he claimed is his disciple. While the DOS, that's the Chike Edozie, Mima Powerful and co, of the opinion that going through autopilot is going to worsen the situation for Nnamdi Kanu and the people of Southeast. So hence, they're looking forward to political solution. That has been going on to and fro, but right now it has taken a step higher. Things are definitely taking shape, and things are definitely giving way. I don't know how this will eventually end, but right now there seem to be jubilation and contradiction and criticism going now online as something very unique has taken place in IPOB family in Finland. Before we go into the newspaper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Very quickly, Finland-based Biafran agitator and self-styled Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, Simeon Ekpa, has announced the expulsion of indigenous people of Biafra's national coordinator, Anthony Obasi, from the group. Mr. Obasi was accused by Mr. Ekpa of corruption, insubordination, among other infractions. This is coming amidst rising infighting between IPOB led by the Directorate of State DOS and the IPOB Autopilot led by Mr. Simeon Ekpa, who is known as ESN. Announcing the expulsion, Ekpa, who's now fully in charge of IPOB Finland, revealed that more expulsions should be expected as he is on a mission of evicting all anti-autopiloters, including IPOB DOS, from the group. According to Ekpa, the problem of IPOB worldwide started from Finland, and the solution has also come from Finland. Now, encourage other units around the world to follow up by expelling any criminal coordinator or national coordinator and take charge of the movement. Stand by the truth at real IPOB DOS. I guess he is the real IPOB DOS. Okay, but let's read the letter in full to have an understanding of what Simeon Ekpa is saying. Expulsion letter. It was dated 5th of February 2022 and it's written heading expulsion letter. Mazi Obasi, IPOB Finland National Coordinator. IPOB Finland General Body met on the 5th of February 2022 and extensively deliberated on some fundamental issues pertaining to the association. Chief among the issues discussed was the activities of the above-named person in the past few months. That you, Mazi Obasi, illegally rented our office situated at number 6, Planetete Helsinki, to grace the Vine Church without due consultation and approval of the General House of this association and collected the proceeds from such rent and kept same for yourself. This is contrary to the rules establishing the association as a non-profit organization. Mazi Bob gave you, Mazi Obasi, the sum of 90 euros to pay on his behalf to the association's account, 50 euros for ESN and 40 euros for 2 months' dues, but you never remitted such funds to the association account. Rather, you kept the money for yourself. When it was discovered that you never paid the money as requested by Mazi Bob to the association account, he requested for the refund of the money. You, Mazi Obasi, only paid back the sum of 70 euros back to the contributor, that's Mazi Bob, and bluntly refused to pay the balance of 20 euros, claiming that he was owing you 20 euros and even threatened to fight him. As a national coordinator, you are expected at all times to show exemplary leadership by conducting yourself in a manner devoid of any scandal. It was on record that you, Mazi Obasi, went to Ikenga platform on social media and falsely claimed that Solid Biafra Forum Finland, which you have been coordinating since 2017, was registered fraudulently. You also used same platform to propagate lies against some members of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB Finland. This is contrary to the rules and regulations governing the association and IPOB worldwide. Based on the above highlighted reasons, the general body of the indigenous people of Biafra Finland voted unanimously for your expulsion from the association and removed as national coordinator of IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafra Finland, with immediate effect, as we can no longer condone criminal activities by any principal servant or member. The General House resolved that the Indigenous People of Biafra Finland can never be allowed to be led by a person with such gross misconduct. By this expulsion, you are hereby banned from attending the Indigenous People of Biafra Finland meetings or any event associated with Indigenous People of Biafra Finland, and never to parade yourself as IPOB Finland National Coordinator henceforth. For the avoidance of doubt, IPOB Finland is committed to Biafra Restoration Project and remain loyal to Directorate of State under the leadership of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. By a copy of this letter, the European representative Mercy Agbanyem has been informed accordingly and requested to respect the wishes of IPOB Finland. Signed, Mazi Fanyi Samuel Chidebere, coordinator of the zone. Now, what caught my attention is are the real IPOB DOS? Is there at the fake IPOB DOS? He said that they should now be submissive to the real IPOB DOS, as in the Indigenous People of Biafran Directorate of State, the real one. Is there a fake one? And then some of this unnecessary, but all the same, from all indication, there's some internal squabbles, and they're trying to eradicate it. From all indication as well, it looks like. But if you ask me, too many expulsion. I hope they will not eventually form some sort of alliances and begin to fight the real thing. So now it will no longer be IPOB trying to see how they can secure Biafra. It will now be IPOB members versus expelled IPOB member trying to beat them down. So I think a little bit of wisdom and decorum should be applied here so that the whole thing doesn't, go a bit faulty. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on this, please?